Hato pila julet papani ladi haki doktor. Haba pidang samla, wat pidang syat dang klan, pinam snowdon kam ban let chaki hospital. Henry lada pila tip Shaphang ki hospital ki bedan haka jela jongi, harengkat kaca Jingsumar ke baki ai, pin snow shngan da ka batem, palada ja ai ru pin tip shanu ban len. Hakani ka program jongi ngin palang halor kawe na kacaka ai Jingsumar ka ba ai jingkot ia pun jat ki jingpang hapo ko ikatno kabam dan kam banda pulut bisa ni ka ba Kham donador. Ka Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy lani ka Neiah Shillong kadai ka Jaka ai jingpuli harengkat ru ka Jaka ai Jingsumar kabahap hapo katnat ayush jong ka sarkar India. Kani ka Jaka ni ka Institute kadon hajan jong ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Nigrims kabadan hamau diang.
Hello, namaskar to everyone. This is Director Neiah from Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shillong. I should say Neiah, one of the biggest establishment in the health care department and initiative taken by central government to establish this autonomous unit for catering to the services of northeastern people, especially the people from Shillong, Meghalaya. So I should say after establishment of this unit, not only the hospital but education also, this was another initiative. Along with the health services, we have two big colleges of homeopathy and Ayurveda. So both the needs have been taken care of. It is a teaching institute along with the hospital care for the need of the people in this region. Along with the 14 departments in Ayurveda College,
Yaki khatsau tuli kitnat ki palahikai haka College Ayurveda lapentre kamru yaki ju haki hospital. Ngi ai ka Jingsumar ru yaki nongpang hakitnat paper kum haka jingpang bnian ka Jaka ban penkhut yaki jabo jaban hapo kamet lani ka panchakarma ki pabon ki breu kim padon jing tips pangjongka. Hangni ngi ai ka Jingsumar bapura da ka bale da ka steaming ne da ka jenhau ka massage lani ka rukom phakhem ka ne ka yarap hai ki to ki brani ka jingpang man da ka baklem di dawai batla ban penja ya ka jingpang jongki.
Hangni ngele kita ki treatment nam ta ki beu ki bapang wisdom jagamet kapan ma ki bapang nasapo ru ka ba ngam le ba hangni ka dei nam ta ki bapang spine ki ne bapang stroke ba ni ki beu ki ba pang no ki ba baklai ki rendang ki ba pang met pang phat mo ba ki bun ki treatment ki bang ile amdei tang kita re ban batai kalong ki ba ki majority bang ki hamle ki kita hi ka bapang stroke bapang met pang phat bat ki bom yo thia se ki ni ba mental problem ro ngile ngi sumar hang ni ngi ai ki dawai ngile ki treatment ro kum kita ki shiro dara ki shiro vasti kidan kita ki abhyanga kidan kini ki ba ngile kita ki kati basti ki janu basti kidan kini ki ba ngile ki pps ane ki shestika shali pindasweda bat kiwi de ki rukom sumar bat kiwi be ki hirukom ki jingpang sistem ki ba kibri kiwan ya kita berkhoi ngitrit hang ne da ka dawai lane da ke Jingsumar.
So ngatreng ni kami panchakama technician ngidon sanggun hang ni parot sangaru tingile bun ki terapi yang ni sibun hang ki bayarap sibun Shaphang ki joint ke ha timantang ile ini don sciatica problem tiba ni sciatica problem tanda itingkeng kukta te nama sciatica kta em tu em ada ke ya yang limla tiga kata dei ka min jong sciatica takadang ile ka terapi mentala sausngi timentai layo jingarap ham sibun kan ni ka terapi yang nero kalong ba kam dan side effect ka di natural therapy ile ni treat nero treat kilong best therapy ti takadau ki patient kat ki buan ni ki dio ka chen koi chen khia hi de ki lawan hang ni por ki wan ru kimla ban ya bin yang gidan ki ba la ka jong ko problem and after kini ka therapy ki sala ban koi ki khia ki la ba ja Di kamtam ki ni ai hang ni le hang ni ki terapi baru le nang baki internal but internal external internal. Te ki internal bangi ai bun ki terapi ki bakin kumno ki treat na spo but kumjoro na shabar ni treat. External ni treat kumni but internal ni treat na spo ru ni pengkhoi ki. Jingpang jongki na spo. Kamtam ki badan ba steroid ki labun steroid ki ladi ru kum tu ki wan hang ni treat ni pengkhoi lut. Bak ayurvedic kalong ba hap ban ni ai long ba long ka jing gayo vedik dawai ke degi bangi sai khuna duka tenrai ke ni khoi ye jengpang takada te tang kata hi ku bless bun
mentang an chu IAP ka jiso tho hapdeng ka mud ayu ke ni ka rukam ai sumar jungi ka bakateng ka panchakarma te bun hi nangi ngila tip lene ngila yo ngau Shaphang lene kantin panchakarma kene ka kantin panchakarma lene ka bangi ong ka panchashodan karma kadai kata ka purificatory procedure ka bangi ong ka bamon ka rukam ai Jingsumar ban pen khoj ya ka met jongi na ki jaklia te kene ka kantin pancha ka mot san bat ka kantin karma ka mot ki rukam ai Jingsumar te kene ki santli ki rukam ai Jingsumar ki dei kabaningkong kalong ka waman karma ka bamot ka emetic therapy hakani ngi ai de ki dawai khnang pa ki patients jongi lani ki nok pang jongi kin pre te kani kam ai Jingsumar jongi ngi ai khamtam ye ki tu ki breu ki ba shay dap shadam lani ki ba shay jerho man ka por lani ki ba yo ya kini ki khnyang ki ba mi bonje ki skin disease mo ki bingi ong lani ki khnyang kumjuru bat kini ki ba khiring lani ki ba yo ya ka jingpang tibi te saka ka ba ar pada kadai ka virechan karma ka ba mod ka purgation therapy te hakane pada ngi ai ki dawai khnang ba ban pen penjam kpo lani ban penher kpo te yakane pada ngi shij ai bonsin ya ki jingpang ki badai ya ki skin disease lani ya ki to ki bangi ong ba ki mi khnyang yakane ka bingi ong ki gout bad artat ru poni kini ki bai pada ki jingpang te ka balai pada kadai ka bangi ong ka vasti karma ka badai ka enama therapy te hakane pada ngi le ngi ai ka dawai langba ka cakap let pen khana ya kane pada ngi shij ai bon se ni ki bru ki bapang paralysis hadin bakila yo stroke nang ta ki jingpang man nang ta ki jingpang sangkai bat kum ki bai ru ki jingpang ki bai dai bat ki jingpang shing bat ki jingpang man te ka basau pada kadai ka jingpang ka basau pada kane ka rukam ai Jingsumar kadai ka shiro virechan ka bamut ka nasal installation te kane pada ngile ayu kalong ba ngi penjau de kidawai haki khmut haki tliu khmut but ya kane ka rukam ai Jingsumar ngi shej ai phak hamtam haki tu ki nong pang ki ba shej pang ki jingpang ki bedai bat ka khli bat ki khman bat ki skor bat ka khmut bat ka shentor bat kumjuro ya ki jingpang rendang te kaba san pada kadai ka rukam ai Jingsumar ka bangi ong karakter moction te kane ka kamut ka blood letting therapy te ha kane pada ngi le kumno ngi penmi ya ka snam ka baja khlia bat iki ya kine khamtam ngi shij ai ki to ki bru ki basai mi ya kine ki jingpang ki bedai bat ka sne do lani ki skin diseases ki bangi ong bat kum joro kum ya kine ki jingpang gout ka bangi shai yo snow mo ki bru ki shai ki shai pang bon sen kane ka bangi ong ka gouty arthritis but sakaway ka ba nga try pila yu I ha ka panchakarma unit jongi ka ba phi I kini ki massage pa kile ka to kadai ka way na ka therapy ka bangi ong ki snehan karma bat ka shwedan karma te kane ka snehan bat ka shwedan karma ka ba mod ka oleation therapy bat ka fermentation therapy te kini ki atli ki rukam Jingsumar pada ki dei ki Jingsumar pangishej ai shwa bangin le ya kane ka panchashodan karma la ne ka panchakarma te ha kane pada ngi le kumno ya kane ka snehan karma ka long bangi ni le dak ba massage ngi ta dak umpanyang bat ngi massage kamet bat kum juru sakawai ko kom ai ka long ba ngi ai dak ba kidi ya ka ghi la ne ya ka umpanyang ti ya kani ru ngi shej ai bha kum ju iki brew ki bapang ki badon ya ki jingpang mat bat ya kini ki ba telot ya kamet ki badon kini ki bangi ongkum ki paralyze anon ti sakawai pada katuk bangi ong ka fermentation therapy la ne ka shwedan karma kani pada ngi le kumno ka long ba ngi shed ya ki dawai ha ka bat nang tu pada kani ka jinha ba mi na ka to ngi shed expose la ngi shed bo ha ka to ka specific part jong ka met khnang ba ban ai treatment la ne ka bangi ong ban ai ya kani ka fermentation therapy te kini ki dei ki kini kide ki brief description ane ki jing batai ba red launch phang ka ek mud ayu kata ka pancha karma lane ka pancha shodhan karma.
I'm catering towards the dental needs of all patients who are coming here, especially those who are suffering from dental caries, gum problem, oral halitosis or foul breath, and especially some patients who are having abscess or any other ailments related to the orofacial region. The treatment rendered here are basically free except for x-rays and extraction. Filling is done free of cost, so all patients can come here and get it done.
Another department which looks upon the diseases of eyes.
Kawai pat katnat kadai bakmi ya ki jing pang bayadai haki benta chung ki khman. Hangne haringkat ka jing test ya ka jing klan ki khman, ngi pet ru ya ka kriya kalp, ka bamon ka jing penne ya ka jing bha ki khman, ka jing shai bat ka jing itanat chung ki khman. Ya ka ne la pet katnat ka pangiong ka shalakya.
Shalakya means the branch which is dealing with eyes, ENT and dentistry. Especially I see here the eye disorders and ENT disorders. Here we do diagnose and treat the common eye diseases, and we do here the refraction also, means predict the numbers or we can say the lenses, चश्मे का नंबर निकालना जो होता है वो भी facility हमारे पास है. Some therapies we have which are good for eye health like Tarpana or Netra Seka, which are useful in eye to treat the eye diseases also and for good eye health care also through Ayurveda perspective. We do Tarpana, we called it as what we do here in Tarpana, we pour medicated ghee into the eye to strengthen the eye muscles, to reduce the number, means like in disorders like refractive errors like myopia, means दूर का नहीं दिखना, नज़दीक का नहीं दिखना, इसके लिए जो treatment होता है उसको कहते हैं तर्पण. And we have treatment for diabetic retinopathy also, hypertensive retinopathy also, and so many eye disorders we can treat here with through Ayurveda perspective.
We have another department, Shalya. In the modern terminology, we call it as surgery department.
Ngidan ru saya kawai katnat ka Shalya ka bangi jutep ru kum katnat bakmi ka jing poit. Hangne ka Jingsumar ka bangi ju ai ha ka Ayurveda lan na kawai pat ka jing poit ka bah kamat tam ka dei da ka papanon kam da uksai ka bangi khot ushara sutra. Hangne ngi penon kam yu ni uksai ban on klem da penlong ye ka jing poit ka bahe pat ka bam por. Kinong pang kim don kam ban da thia hospital ban man la kasngi u ne ka nong pang kin don kam ban wan ban pens kem yu ni ushara sutra.
This is Department of Shalya Tantra and myself Dr. Junita Pher from this department. So we can understand this department as Department of General Surgery in Ayurveda. So this is the Hall of Surgery, which we call it Acharya Shushruta. As we all know, this is the father of surgery. So coming in here, there are multiple of charts making by our students, and these are the books. These are the many charts prepared by the students in the hall, and these are the books, library books, which you can see. We can give reference for the study of the students or for ourselves. As you see, these are many charts. And coming to the next room, these are some of the models. As you can see, the models for examination of the students, both of the different models. Like as you see, the catheters, the models for examination of the rectal examinations, the breast examinations, how to infuse drips like IV set and all, and these are the different models. This is the laboratory where we prepare the medicines, especially for the diseases like anorectal conditions, like piles, fistula, fissures. So the most famous treatment, as you can see, this is the Kshara Sutra cabinet, and this is the Kshara Sutra we are preparing. Okay, so this is the Kshara Sutra. As you can see, these strands of threads. So this treatment is very famous in fistula and ano, and is worldwide famous for this. So as you see, this is the thread which I told just now. This is the way how to prepare the thread, medicated thread, what we said, okay. As we collect the plant, burnt it, then we filtered it for 21 times. Later, whatever the product we got, we make it, smeared it in a thread for 21 times.
We have treated more than 100 cases of the fistula in ano in last 2 and 3 years. Other than fistula, we operate here hemorrhoids, and the fissure in ano is also a case which we have most frequently done here. We also take the patient with renal stone, that we are also very much significantly treating the patient with very less recurrence rate. So up to 10 mm stone in the kidney, we are able to treat with this medical management only, no surgery is required.
Another is leech therapy.
Kawai pat ka Jingsumar ka baki ong ka leech therapy. Tekat kum ka jinglong ka samoy ngi pendan kam yikithliam baki ju ong ru kum ka rakta mokshan ka bakjet ya kasnam jabo. Kane ka yarap na ka benta ka jingpang bayade ba kasni do unyang khan uto jaw bat kiway klem dadan kam ban put ngi ai ka Jingsumar ha kane kurukom te kane ko long ka wai pat ka benta ka ba kham kong san ha ka ayurveda.
Hangni POE ka department ba khot ka kai chikitsa department lani ka general medicine department ki bang ngila ban khot hakani ki department ngila ban sumar ye ki jingpang ba pher kum ki jingpang dable air jingpang acid jingpang shini jingpang thyroid bat ki wai ki jingpang daka ayurvedic treatment jongi.
एक दवा देता है पूरा गार्गलिंग करने के लिए ना, गार्गलिंग कुलू हाँ ठीक है, वो करिए तो मुंह का ये छाला है ना वो जाएगा ना.
The Department of Kaya Chikitsa, in modern language we can say this is general medicines. This department used to deal with different metabolic disease, lifestyle diseases, hepatological problem, urinary problem, skin problem, respiratory and allergic problem. So in this department we are providing the facilities to the patients daily OPDs 6 days in a week, and at least we are getting in our OPDs around 40 patients daily, and those patients having little serious problem needs admission. We are giving admission in our IPD sections for the proper treatment and assessment. So we are giving Ayurvedic treatment in our hospital along with our Ayurvedic diets as per our Ayurvedic classics, where we are getting very good results in controlling different chronic diseases.
The next department is Prasuti Tantra and Stri Rog. This is the department again unknown to the world of today.
Kawai pat katuan kadai ka Prasuti Tantra ne ka Stri Rog. Kani katnan kabam da kham tip ha ka prathai menta bat kam da ya than ha kani ka than jungi ngakwa ban pentem bangidon ye ka Jaka pen ka khon ka babiang ha ka bangila ban pen ka khlung ka kam la pot la don kam ngidon ru yo doctor ba pot ha kani hospital bat ya kani lakmi da katnan Prasuti Tantra.
The biggest feature of Prasuti Tantra department is
kajing mentoy bakong santam jong ka Prasuti Tantra nadu ki por menchwa kadai ha ka por jong kajing penkha kajing sumar ha ka por pun ha ka por kha pat onda la dep kha yakini baro lakmi bnya ban labot ru da kajing ptha ka beadai bat kajing bam batei khnang ba omdon kam bandi ekidawai ni ai jing ptha ru ikikme ban le ek yoga kata ha ka por pun ka por kha pat onda la dep kha kabangi ongru kasutika parcarya kum kajing batai ka keme ya ke ei kaba ki long banle pat ki ei kaba kim long banle onda ki ladap kha khnang banlat na kajing pang hadin habot kane ka long kawei kajing sumar ka bakerpang baka ayurveda ka ai ha kane ka benta.
We have a yoga instructor from National Institute, Delhi, and
Ngidanru ya unohika yoga nanga National Institute na Delhi. Hangne ngi jule e ka yoga man la kasngi na kabanta ki breu ki bakwat bakhia namar ka jingtmu jong ka yoga ka long banyada na ka jingpang na ka jingpher ka samoy. Kumbangi tep ka jingpang COVID ka lawan chane ka lakta ya ka bod jingklanya ka men. Te kumta ka yoga ka aji mentoy shibun. Ka perthai menta ka latem bakumnu ka ayurveda kala ajing yarap iki breu kum ukya krumen ugiloy ki be yarap iki breu ban om ya bet ek jing pang covid hakari ka babun breu bha kala ban kata bun sha bani ka balong henry ka klem long kumta namar haringkat ki weipan ka ayurveda kala ajing yarap shibon namenta ki breu hakani ka benta kane ka long kanuk sa sha ka perthai pada ka bapendon kam mi ka jing start na ka jing la pat jing shem Neiah ngibot ya ke jingwat benia da ka bale tes shwa ti hangne ngibot ru ya ki kendon belabu da katnat ayush pat ke yoga ka dei kamat ka bang kwa ban shu bakal long kalat ya baro ban yo ekamet ka bakot bakhia pat ngi jule e ka yoga nadu ka por khandai baje hadu khandai steng manda ka step da ki nong peniat ki nong hikai ki nong pule ki nong pang bat baro kitu ki bakwa ban le yoga. Karukam Jingsumar kabatip kum ka homeopathy hakane ka pormenta kelas dang paniat ha pat ka longru ka wei na karukam sumar ka papau nam hakaleng ka perthai ki jing mentoy jang ka homeopathy ka Jingsumar ka balong shibenta pat ka mai mariang ki an Jingsumar jang ka ki dawai ki basuk bandi ka Jingsumar ka babidor ka jingti dawai ka basuk ban penon kam da ka badi yaki ki dawai ki benang ai bor ki shipa ya khun ya ki jingpang ki badan hakamen lakhle ki dawai ban penduna ya ka jingklan bor jongka bad ka jingdi dawai da kapor la ban ai dawai da ka pasngap ki jing shitom klem da ap ya ka jingwat benya ne ka jing test.
Then we go to homeopathy. We have a well-established homeopathy with homeopathic consultants.
Habapai jaka homeopathy ngidon ni kinong ai dawai homeopathy ki belabiang pura ringkat ba kinong pet tongpang baro ngitip ba ka homeopathy ka dei ka wei na ka Jingsumar ka bala ban penku di ki jingpang sne do bat ki allergy ngidon ni kinong ai dawai hangne bat ki dawai ru kilong ki basuk bandi hangne kumbangi yoi ba ka jing ai dawai na ka benta ki khlung khna ha ka homeopathy ka yat ha ba ki khna ki so tanat bandi ki dawai kini ki dei ki artali ki benta ki bangas ngau sarang banyathu ba ka balong ru ka basisha ba ka Neiah ka ai ka Jingsumar na ka benta bon chat ki jingpang pat ka badan ru yala ki jong ki jingbtha pat hi kendon ki babun
ngadai intern hangne jong ka homeopathy but kani ka bangedan menta hangne ka di jong ka homeopathy block nama hane hangne yang idan ar block ka we di jong ka ayurveda block but ka we jong ka homeopathy te hangne ki bun ki departments ba repair ba ki ba ai Jaka sumar te kata ka di jong ka pediatrics kata ba sumar ki khulung te ka dan jong ka medicine department ru te jong ka gynae ru ka dan ba sumar ki long ka me barmet te kadan ka pharmacy ru kadan hangne ba phila banyo iki dawai te kini ki dawai ba ki ai manginang ne ru kam de ba phia ban sil te ka de ba phiyo ai Te kadan ka Jaka shem snam ru ba ngila banta snam kum ki ba repair long ke CBC te de ka LFT ba tes liver ka KFT ba tes ya kidney ru te ya ki ECG ru ngila ban kadan hang ni ru ka department ba ka sim ba ka ECG jong pi te ya ka x-ray ru ngidan te ya ka homeopathy ki wi ki dan ki ba repair ki jajing pang bangila ban sumar lembaga ni ka system of medicine kata kalong ki ban boost ya ka immunity jong ni ru kala te ki wi ki jajing pang kum ka jingpang jong ka sne do hang ni ru labun ki cases bangila ban sumar te idan pediatrician ru te ki su ki jimpang beper jong ki kolong ru ngila ban sumar hang ni te kum kitu ki kolong ki ba duna jingkia apa ba dangkha te ki kolong ki badan malnutrition tu te ki dan ka gaini department ru ka bangi da ban lagi ANC kata ka antenatal check up ya kata ka dai ki long kami ki badang shidap pun badap kha te ki badang armet ru ngila ban ajing sumar hang ni.
I'll be talking about the difference between the two therapeutic systems, that is allopathy and homeopathy. So what happens in allopathy is they concentrate on the treatment of disease as a part on the specific part, but in homeopathy we concentrate on the cure that is given when the patient is considered as a whole, that is the concept of individualization. For homeopathy, that concept that was given by Dr. Hahnemann, because according to him, as two persons are not alike, so their disease conditions, they will also not be the same. So we cannot prescribe the same medicine to two different people. So for that we go through the case taking, and then we consult our materia medica, we take the help of our repertory, and then we prescribe. Also in allopathy there are pretty more chances of getting the side effects or complications, but homeopathy, as told and as everyone knows, that is considered the most gentle and the safest system of treatment.
We have established laboratory too and a department of diagnostic also.
Ngidandu ikatanan palle ikites kebalapit lapiang bat katanan diagnostics kum ke X-ray unit ka jingle test ECG. Kania kadon ikitiar machine ki bathamai kum ka jingle ultrasonography ka bayarap habanwat ikijingpang ha ka bayade bat ka jingle aidawai ayurvedic. Kani kalong kawai na kajing mentoy bakraw ha ka bangidon ikitiar kitar jong kani kajuk ka bamenta bat ka Jingsumaru da ka babur atat ikijing halor kajing bam jingdi.
I'm the dietitian working here at Neiah. I take care of the OPD patient who are being referred from different departments here, and also I take care of the IPD patient. All the diet of the IPD patients are being checked by me, and then I take care of the canteen as well. So whatever the diet, whatever the meal is provided for the IPD patient is first supervised by me, checked by me according to the disease condition it is given to them.
Kania ka Jaka ay Jingsumar, kelas tangru ya ka college ban ay jing pulih ha ka subjek ayurvedic pat homeopathy ka basyam kumbasan hongut ki kena pulih ha ki course jong ka BAMS bat BHMS nado usnem arajar kan reu kan nyo bat ka danru ya ka ayurvedic hospital ka basis pa jing thia bat ka homeopathic hospital ka pasan pho jing thia. Shushu nado usnem arjar khat khandai arjar arpho ka jing pediang ni ki khna pule ha ki college jong ka ayurveda pat homeopathy lakan tiu shan riu phulai ngot ha ki ni ki artali ki course jing pule kata ka BAMS pat ka BHMS course
ka homeopathy ka de ka system ka pala rimba, and then ka ni homeopathy ngila ban pendon kam ki brio ki bashitom ki jing shitom ki pala kham slem long nok kum kharing ki lab long kai chronic diseases te ye ki ni ki chronic diseases lingba ka homeopathy medicine la ni lingba ki dawai homeopathy ngila ban pen ko iki bun ki jingpang kum ki jingpang allergy ki jingpang snedo ki jingpang shini ki jingpang blood pressure mo ki ong, and then ngila ro ban pen ko ki bun ki ni ki allergy diseases mendai tang gitaru ki don bun kita ki jing stom ki bangila ban pen ko deka system jong homeopathy daka badi ikini ki dawai homeopathy but ban smooth ho bhaya gani ka system of medicine hab banda pule kumba pule ki wei ki doctor ru mo sansnem shiteng hab ban pule ikini ki ya gani ka course, and then ngila ngin sala ban ai ki dawai ki pai ba.
About our college, as we all know, homeopathy is one of the healthcare systems that is widely respected and sought after in our state. Homeopathy is one of the leading systems, as we all know, worldwide, which is second according to the WHO. And in our state, it's one of those systems that is being trusted the most. So it is our college and its OPT system is one of the systems that is being sought after, and that has proved to be a boon to society.
Ngakwa ban pensngau ya ka Jingsumar ka jonga banga don hapo kani ka college Neiah, but ngakwa ban pensngau ipi baro ba katno ngayo jingmentoy habanga shang ban puli hakani ka college ka jongi. Hakani ka por ngakwa ban crunch phang thendiat ki jingpang ki ba ka system ko jangi kala bha ban sumar hoi ka bangan batai phi ka long tang khendiat hinde ki don shibon bha te ka ba ngakan mau kani ka por ka long ba kani ka system ko jangi ka yarab bha ha ka ban sumar ya ki skin treatments ki skin diseases ma lani ki jingpang ki bayade bat kasni do bat kum jurui ki jingpang kan thei ka ba ki khot PCOS bat ka bade ka polycystic ovarian syndrome, but kawai ro na ki jingpang ka ba ka homeopathy ka long ka bha kade yaki thyroid ka hypothyroidism but kum juru ka hyperthyroidism ru kum jo but hot sekiwe ki jingpang ki bon bha kum ki warts te ki sinusitis but kiwe de
phila ban puli ka ni ka course homeopathy hani hapo Neiah ka jongi mo lani ha kaleng jong kani ka ri India ka jongi ru ki don bon ki colleges ti hangni hapo Neiah ki jongi ru ni admit ki student mentangi la don kumba Henry batch ki student ti artli ki batch jong ki student ki la lech ka internship ti khnya ngan batai Shaphang kani ka course homeopathy ka long sans name shiteng phan ban puli sans name shiteng and then phila ban long eligible tang the phila pass class 12 science and phila ban apply again ka course lingba ba fin pass way ka need and then when have apply lingba ka common entrance test kumto and based on your merit phila ban yo ya ka seat hangni ha Neiah and hangni ha Neiah ro ngi bon ki khana khasi jentia ki bala join and ni don't ro ki khana na kaleng jongka re India ka jongi ki general quotas wa kiwe ki quotas ro
kumba phitem ngi hab banyale ya ka need exams but ha ka por bangala pass ya ka need exam nga la don pa ka jingmut banga kwa ban puli something related to medical nga kwa ban le ki line doctor but ha bangala yo admission ha po Neiah nga la sngo shibon nama banga tep baka no ka jing bha jong ko homeopathy ka long but da ka baburam mi kiwe kidan shibon ki jing sngo tho baklama kani ka jog jingi menta ba ni kibrio ki mud ba ka system ko jingi kalong ka ba slow bantre kam lani kalong ka bantre kam ai ru henre nga kwa ban pensyai ki nong snga kani ka po ba ka system ko jingi kalong ka bam dan jing ta ai kam dan side effects ai but hakani ka jog jingi mentale ki bon ki ba pang ikini ki mental diseases lani ki jing pang ha ka bor jing mo jing khat maka system ko jingi kaya rap bahai kini ki baro makumta ngas ngohon shibon banga jet ya kani ka line homeopathy namar banga kwa ba ki brio ru ken shai ka jing mo jing khat ken yo lang kani ka jing shai ka bangi yo na u kpa jong ka homeopathy hi u Dr. Samuel Hahnemann bang ngaru nga kwa ban pen shai ki we ba ka no ka jing tre kam jong ka system ko jingi namar kam don jing ta ya ka met ya ka ka khya jong phi lani bon sin ni jam no ngi pang shawai pan dakaba buram ki we ki system henre haka system ko jangi kamlong kumta ken te takarao ngasngo hun bat ngasngo ngu shibun banga dan hakani ka institute menta
यह संस्थान मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का एक ऑटोनॉमस इंस्टीट्यूट है। इस इंस्टीट्यूट का वर्तमान में संचालन बहुत ही कुशलतापूर्वक डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर नीता महेश्वर के द्वारा किया जा रहा है। इस संस्थान में BHMS का कोर्स 2016 से आरंभ हुआ है। यह एकमात्र ऐसा संस्थान है जिसमें आयुर्वेद एवं होम्योपैथ दोनों पद्धतियों का प्रशिक्षण एक ही कैंपस के अंतर्गत किया जाता है। इस संस्थान में नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए 50% सीटें रिजर्व है, शेष 50% सीट ऑल इंडिया कोटा के लिए होता है। इस इंस्टीट्यूट में टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीट 63 है। इसमें प्रवेश की योग्यता का निर्धारण नीट के माध्यम से होता है, जिसमें एक एक सीट फॉरेन नेशन के स्टूडेंट के लिए होता है, जो कि भारत सरकार के द्वारा नॉमिनेट किया जाता है। इस इंस्टीट्यूट में उच्च कोटि के शिक्षकों के द्वारा अध्ययन एवं प्रशिक्षण दिया जाता है।
Ngapuli third year hakanika college Neiah kabadon hapo maudiang diang. Lingba kanika Jingsumar kabadika Ayurveda kamdi tangbangi sumar brew Henry ngiara biki brew bakintip Shaphang ka jingyada naki jingbang baro.
हेलो, मेरा नाम सृष्टि जायसवाल है और मैं नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा एंड होम्योपैथी की छात्रा हूँ। मैं करंटली होम्योपैथी कॉलेज से बिलोंग कर रही हूँ और मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करती हूँ। यहाँ पे हमारे कॉलेज में हम लोग नीट यूजी के थ्रू एडमिशन लेते हैं और हमें उसी से एडमिशन मिलता है जो कि आयुष के अंडर में आता है। हमारे कॉलेज में हमारे निया कॉलेज में 2 कॉलेजेस चलते हैं, होम्योपैथी के और आयुर्वेदा के। हमारे टाइमिंग सुबह 9 बजे से लेके 4 बजे तक हैं। हमारा डिफरेंट क्लासेस इसी में 6 घंटे की क्लासेस होते हैं और 6 डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स की क्लासेस होते हैं। हमारा डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स होता है हर ईयर में और मैं करेंटली 3rd ईयर से बिलोंग करती हूँ। हमारे 3rd ईयर में डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स जैसे कि सर्जरी, ऑप्स, गायनी और भी बहुत सारे हमारे होम्योपैथी के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं। हमें ये सब के क्लिनिकल नॉलेज के लिए हमें ओपीडी में ले जाया जाता है, जहां हम लोग डेली नए पेशेंट्स को देखते हैं और उन्हें कैसे हम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं। टीचर्स हमें बताते हैं कि इनको कौन सी बीमारी है, नए बीमारियों के बारे में जानने को मिलता है, उन्हें कैसे ट्रीट करना है, क्या मेडिसिन्स देना है, ये सब के नॉलेज हमें टीचर्स बताते हैं। हमारे कॉलेज में 12 डिपार्टमेंट्स है और हर डिपार्टमेंट वेल इक्विप्ड है। हमें वो न्यू नॉलेजेस के बारे में बताते हैं, जैसे कि हमारा अलाइड सब्जेक्ट जो कि सर्जरी है, हमें वो भी पता चलता है जो एक MBBS स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं। हमें पता चलता है जैसे हम लोग सर्जरी में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, ऑप्स में क्या कर सकते हैं, गायनी में क्या करते हैं और उस चीज़ों को हम अपने मेडिसिन्स के थ्रू कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, हमें वो सब बताया जाता है 1st ईयर से लेके फाइनल ईयर तक। हमारे कॉलेज में अभी इंटर्नशिप भी चल रहा है और इंटर्नशिप से आगे एक बैच हमारा एक फाइनल इंटर्नशिप दे के हमारे कॉलेज से अभी निकल भी रहे हैं। हमारे कॉलेज में बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, टीचर्स हमें बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे से हमें नॉलेज देते हैं ताकि हम अपने लाइफ को अच्छे से आगे बढ़ाएं और अपने करियर में बहुत आगे बढ़ें। थैंक यू।
मैं यहाँ पे आयुर्वेद के 3य वर्ष जो कि BAMS 3rd ईयर जनरली बोला जाता है जिसको, उसमें पढ़ता हूँ। जैसा कि मुझसे पूछा गया है कि आपने आयुर्वेद को क्यों चुना, तो ऐसा कोई प्लान था नहीं कभी कि आयुर्वेद पढ़ना है। बचपन से संस्कृत भी उतनी अच्छी कभी नहीं थी, तो जब MBBS की प्रिपरेशन में जब MBBS मिला नहीं तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन यही था, तो ये किया। जब यहाँ पे आए तो धीरे धीरे पता चला कि यहाँ पे भी बहुत स्कोप है और आजकल जैसे अभी रिसेंट में जो कोविड का आउटब्रेक हुआ वहाँ पे भी हमने देखा कि किस तरह से आयुर्वेद के अलग अलग मेडिसिन्स ने लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा पहुँचाया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले फ्यूचर में आयुर्वेद का बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है, क्योंकि आयुर्वेद हमें हमेशा से सिखाता है कि हमें सिर्फ रोगी की चिकित्सा नहीं करनी है, हमें स्वस्थ लोगों को ऐसा रखना है ताकि उन्हें रोग ही ना हो। तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आयुर्वेद का फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट है, इसलिए मैंने आयुर्वेद को चुना है।
I am lecturer here in Rachana Study Department, which is Anatomy Department of Ayurveda College, and this is the Dissection Hall. Dissection Hall is the place where we are going to do the dissection of the dead bodies. We have the mortuary tank this side. There is mortuary tank for 4 bodies. There are 4 cadavers are present right now, which we do for the practical purpose for the 1st year BMS scholars. This is the model room or museum where different type of models are kept of different body parts. Some are from the market and some are made direct by our students only, and these models are very necessary to learn the basics anatomy for the learning of proper purpose of our human body. And This is our osteology room. You can see different bones are kept also. Some real bones are also kept, 2-3 sets, and some models are also kept with the skeleton. And this is also the room for the histology purpose. Yes, we show the slides of different body parts here with these microscopes. Very specific model for our Ayurveda anatomy purpose. These are the marm points, vital points of the body, which we have to keep in mind before doing the surgery or any other parasurgical process. So these points which are showing of different color have different value for vitality. These are marm points as per Ayurveda.
This is Dravagund department. Dravagund means herbal pharmacology or the study of herbal plants. There are so many drugs you can see. These are the dry drugs here. Come. These are the dry drugs which we can use in a single herb for a single disease or for so many diseases. We have so many properties of a single drug. This is a specific one. This is a pipli. We can use it in a cough and cold, and in so many respiratory diseases, in fever also. And there is lavang, or we can say clove. This is also used in the, this is cold in potency. Generally people think this is hot in potency, but this is cold in potency. This is the root of ashwagandha. We can use it in the, this is a nervine tonic. It is provide mental strength, and it is used in the general debility or weakness. This is the root of ashwagandha. I'm going to show you the medicinal plants which have medicinal values and explain and mention in our Ayurveda classics, which is useful, and which are the weeds, which are the medicinal properties, right? So come see, this is the Mandopani. You can see this is Mandopani. The shape of the leaf is like manduk, means frog. It jumps. This is Mandopani, Centilla sciatica. It is mainly used in the as a memory enhancer. If you have stress, you have anxiety, so many mental disorders, we can use Mandopani. And this is twag, means dalchini. This is used in the diabetes, or we can use it in kitchen spices, in tea. See, this is the dalchini, and the different plant name is Tejpatra, right? The dalchini, we can use the bark. In dalchini we can use the bark, and in Tejpatra we can use leaf. Tejpatra, right? It is also used in the diabetes and kitchen spices for increase the aroma of any dishes, of any recipe. This is the plant Pipli, as you see. Pipli means Piper longum. It is very digestive, means it increases your appetite. If you have Agniman, if you have Aruchi, means you don't like food. In this case, we use Pipli, or in the disease like coughing, cold, fever, we use it in the churn form, means in powder form, or in any formulations. like Shunthi and Trikatu, we can use it with this. This is the local plant. In local language, we can say jaren, right? This is begonia, jaren, and it is used in different ailments like like boils, and it is good blood purifier, and in so many diseases. The cereals, the part used of this plant is cereal, pseudo grain. So many recipes or so many formulations are made with this jaren, Begonia josephi. So many plants we have in this institute, and local plants also, which is exclusively found in the Meghalaya, like jaren, jamirdo, tejovati, which is called jayur. These are the plants used as a single drug or in a formulation. In so many diseases like cough, cold, fever, toothache, diarrhea, dysentery, any blood disorders, we can use as a single or in a formulations. Some plants are brought from the other state also. There are so many students, they brought their own state plant. So we planted here for the identification, for the standardization, for study of the students, how to know the medicinal values and medicinal properties to identify the plant.
Ka Central Library jongka Neiah ka donya shibun chat ki kon halor ka Ayurveda, homeopathy, ka modern medicine, bat kiwe kibe adai bat ka koit ka khia.
And this is a specialized library. Mainly this library falls under special category. So here around 20,000 books right now we have, and in Ayurvedic section mostly we have 14,000 books, and apart from that other books are homeopathy and modern science books also, modern medicinal books mainly.
Neiah has got two big services to offer here now. As I said, homeopathy, where it is very easy to consume for every age group, and that too for big long-standing chronic ailments like skin disorders and allergies, where no other system can cater to. That is the biggest thing homeopathy can offer. Ayurveda basically is a preventive science. So those who want to maintain their youth, those who want anti-aging, and these all can be done by maintaining your health so that the skeletal system remains strong, osteoporosis comes late, your eyes, your every system works well once you go for detoxification, that is panchakarma, in every season after 30s. So that way you can avoid diabetes, hypertension, stress related cardiac issues. Everything can be catered, and the service here offered is all free. So I think everyone here should be availing. And under one roof Neiah has got inpatient facility. Panchakarma is totally free. The lab services are at minimum price. We can say we offer it at, we do the diagnostics at for a very minimum thing, and registration is also very minimum. We have many health camps here for diabetes, for PCOS, yoga. We categorize people into different ailments, and then we offer yoga free of service. So the people here of Northeast, specifically in Shillong, can definitely avail these services in near future, wherein the ancient system which has sustained such a long way to come and not vanished, because it has got some good, what I should say, good things to offer for in the health arena, and people can definitely benefit from this.